The Huawei Mate 60 Pro is one of the most highly anticipated smartphones of the year. It boasts an incredible set of features that make it stand out from the competition. This document will provide an in-depth look at the specifications of this impressive device. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro features a stunning 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate that delivers smooth and seamless scrolling. The phone is equipped with an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock for added convenience. The device will be available in a range of colors, including classic black, space silver, and aurora blue. Quad-lens rear camera. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro boasts an impressive quad-lens rear camera that includes a 64MP primary sensor, a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 12MP telephoto lens, and a TOF sensor. It also features 10x optical zoom, 50x hybrid zoom, and 100x digital zoom. Front camera. The front camera is a 32MP sensor that supports 1080p video recording at 30 fps. It also features HDR and AI beauty capabilities for stunning selfies. Processor, high-silicon Kirin 995G. RAM, 12GB. Storage, 256GB, 512GB. Operating system, Android 11, MIUI 11. GPU, Mali G76MP16. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro also features Wi-Fi 6 support, Bluetooth 5.2, and GPS. It has a USB-C port for charging and data transfer, and it also features dual stereo speakers and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Connectivity options. 5G. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro is equipped with a 5G modem, providing ultra-fast connectivity and low latency. Wi-Fi. The device supports Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6, enabling fast and reliable internet connections. NFC. The phone is also equipped with near-field communication, NFC, technology, allowing for contactless payments, and other applications. Battery, and charging details. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro is equipped with a 4700 mAh battery that supports 66 watts wired fast charging and 50 watts wireless charging. It also features reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge other Qi-enabled devices. Price. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro is expected to start at around $1,450 for the 256GB model and $1,650 for the 512GB model. Availability. The phone is expected to be launched in November 2021, but availability may vary by country.